jumping a little bit out of line. They were getting yippy, they were getting a little bit yippy, a little bit afraid, unlike these champions, because we have a big job to do. No other president would have done what I did. No other president. I know the presidents, they wouldn't have done it. And it had to be done. What was happening to us on trade, not only with, if you look at it, not only with China, but China was by far the biggest abuser in history, and others also, but somebody had to do it. They had to stop because it was not sustainable. Last year, China made $1 trillion off trade with the United States. That's not right. And now I've reversed it. It's for a short period of time, but we made $2 billion. We're making now $2 billion a day. Somebody had to do what we did, and I did a 90-day pause for the people that didn't retaliate, because I told them if you retaliate, we're going to double it. And that's what I did with China, because they did retaliate. So we'll see how it all works out. I think it's going to work out amazing. I think that our country is going to be at the end of a year or shorter, but I think we're going to have something that nobody would have dreamt possible.
Has your business been blindsided by Trump's tariffs or Musk's wild headlines? Buckle up. 2025 is kicking off with chaos. Tariffs wiping billions from Tesla and Meta, AI robots shaking things up, and the U.S. economy teetering. But here's the twist. Chaos is your chance to win big. If you pivot fast, I'm diving into what's happening, giving you killer tips to cash in quick, and tackling the stress you're probably feeling right now. Stick around. This could save your business and skyrocket your growth. Let's break it down. Trump's back with vengeance. His April 2nd tariff bombshelled slashed $208 billion from the world's richest, including Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg. Tesla's Q1 sales tanked 13%. Boycotts over Musk's Trump ties are hitting hard. Meta's not safe either. Zuckerberg's stock dropped 9%, losing $17.9 billion as ad revenues wobbles. The U.S. economy's on edge. AP News warns of inflation spikes and recession risks, April 4th. Meanwhile, Musk pushing AI robots like Optimus, Google's reeling from a 3.92% dip, and investing a roller coasters. Billionaires lost $42.6 billion in a day. But here's the kicker. Tesla's U.S. production gives it an edge over tariff-hit rivals. The lesson? Disruption everywhere, but smart pivots win. So how do you turn this mess into money? Here are 5 actionable pivots for quick wins starting today. Localize like Tesla. Tariffs are jacking up import costs. Shift production or sourcing to the U.S. A small retailer could swap Chinese suppliers for Midwest manufacturers. Cut costs 15% overnight and dodge tariff hikes. Start with one product line, test it, scale it. Double down on AI tools. Musk's betting big on robots. Your business can too. Use AI like ChatGPT or Gronk to automate customer emails or inventory tracking. Saves 10 hours a week, easy. Free trials are everywhere. Pick one, train your team in a day, and watch efficiency soar. If you need help, there's links below to set up an appointment. Revamp your brand story. Tesla's backlash shows perception matters. If your customers are mad about politics or prices, pivot your messaging. Focus on value or community. A cafe could post proudly local, no tariff markups. Rebuild trust and snag 20% more foot traffic. Cash in on Facebook ads cheaply. Meta's ad revenues shaky means lower ad costs for you. Spend $50 on a 50-second reel targeting bargain hunters. Highlight a deal. Aim for 2% click-through. Small businesses see $500 returns on a $100 spend. When ads hit right. Varos January 2025. Again, links are below if you want help with this. Hedge your bets with quick investments. Billionaires are bleeding, but you can win. Move 10% of your cash into stable U.S. assets. Think treasury bonds or local startups. A $5,000 shift could net $500 in a few months. Cushioning tariffs blows. Check Robinhood or local advisors. Act fast. Now let's get real. How are you feeling? Overwhelmed by tariff jacking up costs, frustrated watching Musk and Zuckerberg stumble while you're hustling to survive? Maybe you're scared. Sales are dipping, customers ghosting, and the economy is a question mark. I get it. I've seen clients cry over cash flow, wondering if they'll make payroll. You're not alone. But here's the truth. You don't have to figure this out solo. These pivots I just shared, they're not pie in the sky. They're working for businesses right now. You've got the grit. You just need a plan to turn stress into success. Imagine slashing costs, boosting sales, and sleeping without that pit in your stomach. Possible and closer than you think. So what's next? You could start with one tip, AI, ads, whatever, clicks, and see wins in a week. But if you're thinking, I need this fast, I need it right, let's talk. There's links below. You can book an appointment. We've helped dozens of business pivot chaos like this from all times of stressful hacks in the economy and what's going on. No fluff, just results. Drop a comment below on what you need help with, or look in the description to find links to book a call. 15 minutes could map your turnaround. You've got the vision. We've got the playbook. Don't let 2025 crush you. Let's crush it together. Who's ready to pivot and profit? Hit that like button and let's make it happen.